Hey, what's good, YouTube? As you can tell by the title, I done found the keys to success. Stop playing with me, bro. If you got an iPhone or Android, man, you can make studio quality songs right at the house. Nigga, all you need is headphones and your phone, bro. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all. Step 1, go to your Apple Store and look for BandLab. Download this app right here with the red icon. Alright, for step 2, go to YouTube and find any beat that you want to rap on. See, I already searched Playboy Carti type beat. You can do that with any artist. I'm just do Playboy Carti type beat. Let y'all hear this. It's cool. I fuck with it. Now I hit share, copy link. And all of these links will be in the description down below. Click the first link. Hit OK. Copy and paste the link, then hit start. Hit download, an ad will pop up, just go right back to the link and hit download again. And you see at the top right corner, seeing that we just downloaded the beat. Boom. Alright, now for step 3, we will be finding the BPM and the key of the beat. All of these links will be in the description. Click on the second link. Scroll down and hit browse. And look for that beat you just downloaded. Let this load up. Alright, boom. Once that's finished, you will see the key and the BPM. Make sure you save these because you will need them later. Alright, man, now it's time for the actual recording process, bro. Open up BandLab, hit this red plus sign, hit voice and mic, minimize that. Now go to your settings. Remember I said you have to save your BPM, aka your tempo. Just plug that tempo in right here. So the beat that I just had, the Playboy Carti type beat was 150. So I'm gonna put this all the way to 150. Alright, now go back to the track list, hit this plus sign, import track, hit browse, and then select the beat that you downloaded. Now we ready to record. All you have to do is click on the track, like this track 1 right here, and hit the red button and you'll start recording. Alright, I just laid down a little reference track or whatnot so y'all can hear the difference between adding effects versus no effects. So I'm gonna turn them off and on so you can actually hear how you can make something sound decent on your iPhone. Like you don't even have to go to a real studio. Let me just play it. This is without any effects.
I wanna flip the neck, I saw the trapping neck, I saw the rapping neck, I got the finest neck, and got a rabbit neck, I got the rabbit neck. What you know about rabbit niggas? What you know about?
Alright, now, and this is with effects. Bro, the difference is night and day.
I wanna flip the neck, I saw the trapping neck, I saw the rapping neck, I got the finest neck, and got a rabbit neck, I got the rabbit neck. What you know about rabbit niggas? What you know about rabbit niggas?
I'm telling you, bro, you can make studio quality with your phone. You don't need anything extra. Now I'm about to show you the settings I actually have on my vocals. first effect, I have on a delay. That's just to add a little, you feel me, a little pizzazz to my vocal, you feel me? So I can fill up all the gaps in between when I'm like taking a breath or like there's a space in between lines. I can have a little delay to fill that in. I have this noise gate to cut out all that static, all that white noise, that unnecessary white noise that you don't need, that your mic might pick up. Just go ahead and slap this on there. Y'all can screenshot all of this so you can get the settings, all that. Slow down the video, do whatever you got to, bro. Just save these. I got on a multi-filter. I have it at the 8K. Bruh, I'ma just show it to y'all. If y'all want me to explain it, tell me in the comments, bruh. I get at me, you feel me? But yeah, I have on this multi-filter. Now I have on this compressor. This compressor it's hard. I ain't gonna lie. This is for that tight vocal, like how they have in like studio mixes. This is that compressor. These are the exact settings that you need. Then I have it on a reverb. Reverb ain't adding nothing, but adding a little flavor, a little bit. And de-esser, just to take out all of that sibilance, all those hard S's that you would hear without this plugin. That's all this is doing. And that's it, bruh. Like, that's real life it. I just did that on my phone. I did that mad quick, bruh. Any nigga can do this, bruh. Like, this is for all my niggas out there that really don't got the budget to hit up a studio or just looking for a way to record for themselves, bruh. Here you go, bruh. It's really easy, man. Make sure you like and comment the video, bruh. Please show this to your friends, show this to everybody, man. It's too easy, bruh. Anybody can make a hit, bruh. And just like that, I'm out.